Hi, today we are going to learn about first person singular personal pronoun in Telugu. This lesson will help you to tell your name and basic information about you in Telugu. The first person pronoun in English is I, as in I am Ram. Telugu equivalent for English I is Nenu. Together, I am translates to Nenu Ram Unnanu in Telugu. But in this context, you don't need to use the verb unnanu. In place of unnanu, you need to add the suffix nu or ni after your name or profession. It can be used as shown in this example. Nenu Ramarao Nu. Here, Ramarao is the name and Nu is the suffix. You will learn more about Nu or Ni suffix in coming lessons. Telugu follows subject plus object plus verb format. All Telugu sentences end with verbs. Unnanu is a Telugu verb like am in English. It is used only for first person pronoun.
I am Swati means Nenu Swatini. I am a photographer means Nenu photographernu. I am an American means Nenu Americannu. I am Hari means Nenu Harini. I am Aruna means Nenu Arunanu. I am a doctor means Nenu Doctornu.